Hey everyone, here's an example of what we want you to do for each one of these as you're getting more practice, not skipping any of these steps as you get more and more practice with this. So let's say that I had this expression, x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay. And now I'm supposed to build each rectangle. So I'm going to start out by making sure I just pull out the tiles that I need. I might be fancy and copy that one because now I need two x's and a 1. And now I want to build each rectangle. All right, so I'm going to go ahead here and see how I can make those into a rectangle. I notice that while this is a square, squares are still rectangles. I know that's sometimes a thing, but squares are rectangles, so this does follow the directions. I found myself a rectangle. So you might do this on paper. I might say, great, for this one, I'm done. Find and label its dimensions, so its side lengths, right? So here's x. I know that that is x. This is 1. That's 1. That's x. I might remember how long each of these sides are or use the fact that it's a rectangle to help me just practice filling in all the dimensions. Okay, so great. I've done that. So now I can say, hey, it's a rectangle. I'm going to multiply. I can multiply length times width or height, however you want to think about it. So I can say that this is x plus 1 times x plus 1. You might notice, hey, that's a square. So maybe I want to rewrite that as just x plus 1 squared. So that's our product. And now remember, that's our product for the outside, using the dimensions to find the area. But it's asking us to write it as the equivalence. So we're going to say, because we can see it, okay, but that's also the same as x squared plus 2 x's plus 1. And so now I have this work here. I can put it all together. I might get rid of this one to be a little organized here. Okay. And say, great, I'm done with this. And it was possible, so I don't have to explain why not. So I might grab all of these now and set this aside. Oh, the markings aren't going to come with me, so that's a little annoying. So remember that. You might want to use text because then it will come with it. But I can leave this alone now and then go on to the next page and just write this down.